Today I'm going to make a paperclip ring with a bead, super easy. Just take your paperclip and open it up. You can do this by hand or you can use your flat pliers to open it up. Just go slowly to get all of the kinks out. Just get a ring cone or a round form and we're just going to turn it around. Remove it. You want to make sure at least one of the ends is curved, so we're just going to curve it around a little more to follow that curve. This is a 6mm bead. You want to make sure there's a large enough hole. The miracle beads have quite a large hole in them, so we're just going to stick that through here. And then the other end that's curved, we're just going to feed it back through the hole. So we have both ends through the hole. Hold this so it's centered. Take one end, bend it out a little bit, and then make sure the other end's about the same size. And you can bend it out a little bit. With the ends, you can do little spirals or you can just bend them in. Take your round pliers, take the end, and just roll it around. Take the other end with the round pliers and roll it around. You could even leave it like that if you want, or we could bring them in a little bit more. So just curve it in. This side too, we can just curve it in a little bit and then go in here and push it a bit. Squish these so they're a little bit more flush. There's still a little bit of give, so it's a bit adjustable. And there you have your super cute and simple beaded ring made with a paper clip.